Hello guys, Edwin here. Today we're going to be talking about Towns Protocol. Towns is a decentralized communication protocol and application designed to empower communities to build, own, and govern digital town squares. Okay, so Town has raised a total of $61 million and they have confirmed an airdrop for people who use the Towns Protocol. So you can see their backers is a16z crypto. And when a16z crypto backs the projects, it's going to do very well. And most of the projects they back do good airdrops. Okay, you can see Coinbase is also an investor right here. Benchmark a16z also invested right here. You can see they are one of the lead investors in the Towns protocol. And they confirmed an airdrop for Q2. You can see it's right here, Q2, which means we should be expecting the airdrop in the next month or the next 2 months. But for this, you need some funds to earn points. Okay, you need about $5 to $10 to earn points. So you have to make sure you do your own research. This is not a financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Okay. So what you have to do is head over to Relay. Okay, let me show you Relay. So on Relay, what I do is I buy Ethereum from Bybit and send on the Arbitrum network because the gas is very cheap. If you send from Bybit to your MetaMask, it's very cheap. I bought about $10 and sent it to my MetaMask wallet. So after you send it, just head over to relay.link and trade from Arbitrum to Base Ethereum if you don't have money on your Base wallet. Okay. So right after this, let's head over to the Towns website and start navigating to endpoints. So right on Towns, here is it. These are the featured towns and most of them are not that cheap. Okay, you can see this is 0.06 0.003 Ethereum to join, 0.01 Ethereum to join. So it depends on the admin. Make sure you know the admin before you join this kind of towns. Even though they give you more points, some of these towns give you 2,000 points. Some of these towns give you 1,000 points. Okay, so my town just cost, I think, 0.80 cents to join my town. I have a free town also. I'll be leaving all the links in the description below. So right on towns, click on your wallet. When you get here, click on the wallet icon right at the top corner. Click deposit. They are still in the beta phase, so the site is not that fast. Okay. When you click on your wallet, click on add funds and you can switch your network. You can connect your MetaMask wallet right here. Let's switch this network. So right after connecting your MetaMask wallet to your town's profile, just click on this arrow and you want to deposit from Base. You want to deposit from Base Ethereum. You can also deposit from Arbitrum, Optimism, or Ethereum itself. You can see the change right here: Zora, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, Optimism. Polygon also has very low fees. You can also deposit from Polygon also. But I always deposit from Base since Towns is on Base. It doesn't matter where you deposit from though. So select the chain you have money on and let's say you want to deposit this. Okay, so this is what you do. You enter the amount you want to deposit. Let's say 0.12, 0.00114. So right after entering this, you see this is my MetaMask wallet. Right after inputting the amount you want to deposit to your town's wallet, which is this one, just switch the network. I'm using my Ethereum wallet because Ethereum is very fast. Okay, you can see I have already deposited, so I don't have any funds yet. I'm just showing you how to deposit. So after doing this, just click on deposits right under this where it says insufficient funds. You can deposit. Let me show you. I think let's try to reduce the gas. that is still insufficient. Okay, you can see we can deposit 1.63 because we have to pay that. We make sure you don't input all your the amount you have in your wallet. Okay, just input leave some funds for gas when you are depositing. That's what I'll say. So after doing that, just click fund and accept the connection in your wallet and sign the transaction to deposit to your Towns wallet. So this will go from your MetaMask wallet to your Towns wallet right here. So right after doing that, you earn points by joining other paid towns. If you join a free town, you don't earn anything. So you can head over to this is my paid town. I have a free town and a paid town. I'll be leaving both links in the description. Okay. A paid town is called the DeFi town, and I'll be leaving the link in the description. Make sure you deposit before you join. But for the free town, you don't need to um pay anything. So this is my friend right here. I have been doing some tipping with him. You earn points by tipping each other. Joining paid town. Make sure you tip people who you know. Don't tip anybody you don't know, else they might not tip you back. Okay. And some towns cost $10, $20. If you are joining, make sure you know the admin before you join the town and tell him to tip you back right after you join his or her town. Okay. So you can come right here. This is how to tip. Let's say you see he said GM. Let's tip each other today, Edwin. So you click on this green button right here and include the amount you want to tip. I want to tip in $1. So click tip. And the transaction will be confirmed in your Towns wallet. Click send right here. So the Towns protocol is still under development. Okay, you can see the site is not all that responsive. So you earn point by tipping people joining Paytown. Make sure the Paytowns you join are very cheap. You can see the tipping just work. And I have his X account. I'll just go and test him. Hey, bro, I have tipped you. So he's going to tip me back. Get it? So right after doing that, you need to click on this beaver icon right here. This beaver icon right at the top here. So you click on it and you check in every single day. Okay, you check in every single day. You click on this icon right here like this. You just click on next. You can see I have already checked in, so I have to wait for 3 hours and 25 minutes more to check in again. So if you check in one day, it's 1 point. If you check in 2 days, it's 2 points. If you check in 3 days, it's 3 points. It goes on like that 30 days. So every single day you check in, you earn points. If you don't want to spend money on joining people's paid towns, you can also do the check-in, and yes, that's basically it. This is how you create your town. Okay, you name your town right here. Give your town a name. Okay, input any name you wished to give your town and upload a picture right here. You can, okay, let me show you. So let's set a picture right here. After setting your picture, click next. You can choose whether your town should be free or your town should be paid. Okay. If your town is free, you don't earn points when people join. But if your town is paid, you earn points when people join. Okay. So you can click on paid and choose whether it's fixed. Fixed amount. You can input 0.0 0.0005. Okay. But for the fixed amounts, the minimum is 0.01 Ethereum. 0.01. This is fixed and it's not going to change. For the dynamic, it's going to start from $1 to $100 as people join your town. So the more people join your town, the more it increases. I prefer you go for the dynamic one since it's cheap and people will rather join that one over the fixed one. Okay. If you have friends, you can also DM them and tell them to join your town. You tip them back. Okay. When they join your town, you are going to be seeing the money they use to join your town in your treasury. I'm going to show you all that. So here you choose whether it's fixed or dynamic. I choose to go for dynamic and click create town. The town will be created and and go ahead and share your link on Twitter to your friends or anybody you know. Okay, if you face any issues too, make sure you comment below. I'll be always happy to assist you in my comment section. And make sure you join our Telegram and talk to us. Make sure you link with our group members. So let's wait for our town to finish creating and get back. So our towns have been created. This is the town we just created, and you can just go ahead and share your link to friends. Okay, you can share your link to friends. This is the members, and check your members right here. Okay, you earn points by joining paid towns. Remember, there's not free towns. Make sure you are always active. You always send messages in the groups you are in. Okay, you can just navigate to any town once and just send a GM. Okay, just send a GM and try to bring up any conversation. Okay, send a good morning message every single day. You can see I GM here every day. Navigate to other towns and send GMs right there. That's how you earn points and be active. So you can join people's towns. Make sure you join other people's towns. Look at this one. Um it's also 0.005, I think, which is $3. Let's click on it and see. So you earn points by joining towns. Okay. Earn point by joining towns. It says free, but in the channel it was saying it's paid. You can also review people's channels. Make sure you join my town and review my town. You click join right here. Wait for it to verify your transaction. This is a free town. Okay, you can join free towns and be active, but like I said, they are not going to be earning points. Yes. So we have to get to the conclusion. You earn point by tipping your friends, joining pay town. Okay, you can see it's showing right here. So we click pay and the amount will be deducted from your town's wallets. Okay, earn point by joining paid towns, tipping your friends, um checking in by rubbing the beaver's belly every single day. Okay, that's how you earn points, right? On towns. So that's it for the video. You can also buy um tokens right in towns. I'll show you that right now after this town gets minted. So we just joined this town and okay, click join. You always join with the username. You'll be asked to input the username you want to be shown in the town. Okay, you can see my coin just increased by 100 points. So this costs 0.005 Ethereum. I think that's I think $1 or so. Yes. So for this town, the more people join, the more the price will increase. That's how my town is also like. So you can also check the price of Ethereum and buy tokens right here. So this is how you do it. You enter the ticker $ and ETH and click send. I don't know why it's not showing, but it's buggy. Towns is still under development. Okay, so just um when you enter this the price of Ethereum is shown right under this, and you can go ahead and buy through um you can go ahead and buy tokens through towns. Okay, it will show you whether to buy or sell. You can just go ahead and buy right here and it will be shown in your wallet. Okay, so make sure you join pay towns like these ones with 0.005. All these ones are dynamic. Okay, so you join towns and you tip people. Make sure you tip each other. Find a friend you are going to be tipping with. Tell them you want them to tip you your fund back when you tip them. Okay, so you can see my fund just updated. The site is kind of slow sometimes, so that's it. So that's it for the video. Make sure you comment below if you face any issues. You can also send your tokens out if you don't want to use the funds in the task again. Don't forget your daily check-in, okay? Thank you for watching. Peace.